Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Okay, we couldn't help it, we had to come back. We're just here at Universal Studios. We have a couple things we want to check out tonight. Come on in, check it out. So Jake and I decided to utilize our frequent fair pass and come back tonight just for a quick trip in. Tomorrow we're heading out to Miami for a cruise. Early morning, we're gonna drive down. But today we came back to Halloween Horror Nights. We got our Stay and Scream bracelets. We already explained all that in the last vlog. But there's a couple things we didn't get to do last time. And one of them was a tribute store. So let's go check that out first thing. I did want to show some because it's not even 5 o'clock. So the park technically closes at 5. But if you were a day guest in a park right now, it looks like you could actually get some snacks. That's the Fallout booth. But look, there's already a line. Most everybody there, though, does have a wristband. There's a couple people without one. But I guess you could, technically, if you were a day guest, it's not 5. The park is still open to day guests, and that food booth's open. I didn't want to highlight that because it's good information. Here is the tribute store. You're going to find that between the Mummy and Louis. Jake and I, we're going to go in there and check it out. Now, this is open during park hours, so you don't not necessarily need to go to Halloween Horror Nights to go into the tribute store. You can come in anytime. The park is open while you're in here as a day guest. Let's walk in together. See some of the theming here because it is at Sahara's Traders, and this is the old arcade, actually. It's got the vines that you'll find with the theming this year. Origins of Horror. Let's check it out. We've shown a lot of the merch, but we can have a look around quick. Won't get into all the prices and everything because we've shown so much of the merch. It's a little dark. But to me, the tribute store too, all about the theming. Look at some of the, I was gonna say, Jake, look at some of the art, the clown art. And if you watch the last vlog, I already got into my favorite horror movie character, which is Art. And the house was great. You can check out our last vlog. The reason we came back is we hadn't got a chance to do Fallout yet. So we wanted to go over to Fallout tonight and at least check that house out and see if it changed our rankings. And check out our opening night for all the rankings of the houses. I did see some masks over here. We got some Five Nights at Freddy's. We got Art the Clown down there. I will get a price on the mask. Jake, could you help out maybe see if you can get a price on the masks? Because we did not see these before. They're pretty cool though. Guys, the masks. How much were they, Jake? 80 bucks?
Yeah.
80 bucks. Unbelievable. I wanted to walk out here because the tribute store kind of comes out this way too. Because there is more theming here. So, kind of extends out here. And then you can go back in that way. But I've highlighted all the merch. So, although I do see some Wyatt 6 merch I did not see. Show you quick. We got the hat. Got like a little, almost like a, oh, it's like a fanny pack to WWE. This is something I hadn't highlighted yet. Very neat. So that's cool. And then we have this piece of artwork. This house was cool too. If you are a fan of Bray Wyatt and a Wyatt 6, you're gonna like this house. Lots of Easter eggs in this house, and very, very nicely themed. So it's a really cool house. It didn't make my top 2 or 3, but it was still, it's definitely decent. It could have easily made it. I'm just like, I'm not crazy about the location, to be honest with you. I like the tribute store kind of where it was last year, over in the Macy's building. That's kind of where I like it. Also, the new location over across from the 5 and 10 is nice. some more Fallout. But it's very small, and I mean, it's themed, but I don't know. I'm not crazy about it, to be honest. There's not really a ton to show you. All this stuff you can find all over the park. Like, it's kind of repeating things. It's a long sleeve, why it's 6. Oh, that's a register. And I don't see snacks. Usually the tribute store has snacks. This one does not. I'm just gonna head out, guys. I mean, it's not a heck of a whole lot to show you in here. But this used to be the arcade. Yeah, not crazy about it, honestly. And then we're already done, and we're heading out. Like that. I guess you could come in this way too if you wanted. Yeah, I guess you could walk in that way too, but... Jake, I'm not crazy about the tribute store this year.
Me neither.
I mean, no. It's kind of boring, to be honest with you. I missed some of that extra theming they usually have, and... Nah. Oh, well, it is what it is. We showed you. Like I said, we got a couple other things we wanted to show you on this vlog. Technically, I explained this a little bit last event. Well, Roberta did, which educated me. Technically, once the park's cleared, they will let in all the guests for Halloween Horror Nights. The event, it's scheduled at 6:30, but if the park is cleared by 6, then everybody can come in. So that is something to keep in mind. There was already people lined up that just have a ticket for the event waiting to come in at 4:30 when we came in. So, but it's kind of neat because really for people that come and do the stay and screen.
How you doing, man?
Good, man. Good, brother.
Appreciate your videos.
Thank you, thank you. Meeting a few people today on Medling World while we're vlogging. We always appreciate if you happen to watch our vlogs to come up and say hello. Met a few friends already in the park. I'm trying to like the new Stay and Scream. I kind of liked it. After the first night we did it, I kind of made the opinion I didn't really care for it either way, but I preferred the old school way. But we'll see. It kind of seemed easier when you were just all in a spot. They opened up a few houses because what would happen is the other houses would not have queues built up. So you could get through that first house and then get right straight to another house and go right through. Usually it would be a walk-on. At least that's what happened to us last year a couple times we came. Guys, I'm so happy we came. I was going to just do the tribute store because I don't like to do a bunch of repeating of vlogs, but this is more information for you. You can actually pick up a wristband. You don't. Tonight we showed in the first vlog, so I didn't vlog it in Minions Land, but over here as well, back here in San Francisco area. So right here. Very neat. So yeah, right over there. So Fallout opens at 5:15. Gawkin 5:45. We haven't done Fallout. That's a good opportunity. I don't know how long the queue will be already, but thank you. Like I said, I don't know how long the queue is going to be on the standby already, but the house does open at 5:15. If it looks, well, we're going to have to do it either way, so let's head back there and have a look. Oh, in case you're curious, it's a very long walk to get back to these two houses, so if you didn't see the first video, I think we did this is where we did a lot of information area when we had to talk about things coming back to these houses. It's a long walk back here. You still can't even see the house yet. So it takes you a good 5-6 minutes just to walk back here. All right, guys, finally gonna get to do Fallout. We'll give you our full opinion and review as soon as we get out of the house. Just coming out of the house, guys. Okay. I wouldn't say so much that it was a scary house, but if you are a fan of the Netflix series, it's pretty much you're in the vault. I think yeah, part of it you were in Philly. Lots of the characters from the series are in there. Not very scary house, but more, I would compare it, in my opinion, if you watched my first vlog when I was talking about Five Nights at Freddy's. Kind of more of a movie set. This one, though, a little bit, I liked it a little bit better than Five Nights at Freddy's, though. I like the scare actors. So, and the costuming in there was really good. It was very accurate. So yeah, it wasn't that bad. It didn't change my list at all that I previously had. Of course, I had Terrifier and Jason Universe as my 1 and 2, but and my IPs. Jake?
It was pretty good. That's what I think though. I never watched the series. I played a little bit of the games though. I like it. Me personally.
There you have it. All out. Mid-house. So guys, I just want to show you this cool rainbow before we end our vlog. I usually I haven't been doing the spin here, but I'm gonna do it this time. Check this out. Hope you can see it. Try to zoom in. Very cool, man. But Jake and I, we're just hanging out. We already went. We're not, here to do a bunch of repeating from what we did last time, but we will vlog this event probably at least 1 or 2 more times. Give you more information and just kind of hang out. But we already went through, what, Dolls?
Yeah.
We hit Dolls again, which, that house is awesome. And we're getting ready. We're going to go through Jason. And then, well, we actually came because we brought Roberta to work. She only had a quick shift, and then Jake and I hanging out. And Roberta will be out of work, and then we're going to head back home and get ready for our cruise. Celebrating Jake's birthday, of course, on Medling World. We celebrate birthdays for weeks on end. So we'll be celebrating Jake's birthday once again on that cruise. It's kind of like a big birthday fun time. So guys, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!